Hi, my name is Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I spoke with Jacqueline this morning about sending this video on some quick tips and tricks on how to get you guys some more traffic and some more business through your website. So I'll kind of go through three quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So I have your website pulled up here. Now, with your guys' website, here is the content I'm referring to. So when you have content, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page. I looked and you guys have about 176 words. So definitely need some content through there to kind of boost your organic ranking through Google. Also, one nice tip here is if you guys go in here and you hit save image, let's look here. You guys can see that this is the name of the image. Once you guys go through and name the image, something along the lines of OKC plumbing or plumbing under sink plumbing, like for this one, then you are able to tell Google that that's something that your website talks about and educates about. Google cannot see its assistant. They can't see the picture. They just see the name that the picture is saved under. So another thing that we'll talk about is keywords, and this kind of goes with everything. So OKC plumbers is a huge keyword. It's something that a lot of people search for. So when we search for that, when I talk about organic ranking, this is what I'm talking about here. Here are a couple places like Yelp, Angie's List. That's just a directory for all of these different businesses. So we're going to go to the very first business that's ranking organically with Google, and that's going to be Plum Crazy Plumbing, Oklahoma City. When we go to their website, their front page has about 900 words of content. They also have a lot of keywords strung throughout here. So 900 words is not hard to beat. If you guys can get to that 1,500 words on your front page, you will quickly start getting up close to them. And with some of the other things I'll teach you, you'll definitely get up above them. So one platform that I use is called Ahrefs, Ahrefs, and this will just show us exactly what kind of power your guys' website has and where that power comes from. So right here, DR means domain rating, or what I call website power. NA, you guys don't have any right now. So the higher this number, the more power, the stronger power you guys have. Backlinks is simply your website put onto other websites. So you have one other website that comes back to your personal page. You want this up pretty high. You want about 300 backlinks on anywhere from 40 to 60 different domains. Then organic keywords right here. 8 keywords. So you guys want anywhere from 300 to 400 different keywords. You guys will always have your own business name on there, and I don't see anything else. So you guys want that OKC plumbing or plumbers, or plumbers Oklahoma City. OK is a good one for your area and in your business, your niche. So when we go through this, and I'll show you a better example here on your competitors, we'll go back to keywords with them. They have quite a few. So DR again, 3.3, that's not high. It would be pretty, if I put in some consistent work for you, we could definitely get you way above 3.3 that they're at. They have 331 backlinks on 59 different websites or domains coming back to their own website. So they've got some power there. Then they have 356 organic keywords. So this is kind of what I was referring to. Again, this is their business name. They're going to have that up there. But Plumbers OKC gets 500 people under volume, 500 people searching this, and then they get 15 customers or traffic from people typing in Plumbers OKC, and they're position number 5 on Google. The first page, or each page, has about 10 different listings, so they're right in the middle of that first page. OKC Plumbing, there's 80 people searching, they get 14 customers. And see how they get about the same amount of customers with a very big difference here on who's searching. But that's because they're position number 2. So again, the higher the position you are on the Google organic ranking, the more customers you're going to get. Again, plumber OKC, 200 people searched. They got 7 customers because they're 8th place there. So if we really drove some of these keywords through here onto your content on your that first page of your website, you'll be taking a lot of this traffic from them there. Now the next thing we're going to talk about is Google Map Pack in citations. So this is the Google Map Pack, or the top 3 when you search something in Google. You'll first want to create a Google My Business. You just can Google My Business. Put in all your information. So you want as much information about your company as you can get on there. Google then will mail you a postcard that has a number. You'll put that number into your Google My Business account, and then you will take this exact name, the exact phone number and address, and put them on all these citations. Citations are simply a way of saying your name, address, and phone number on directories around Oklahoma City. And this is how I find, excuse me, citations. So you can go to a local citation finder, any local citation finder. Here's yours. You guys have 25 citations. So 25 different directories that your Google business is in. This crazy plumbing has 42 citations. So you will just go through here and grab as many as you can. Contact these people, try to get your business in on all of these websites, and then you will have a lot of power come through. Okay, well, if you guys had any questions, if you want some more information, or you simply want to know how I can further help you, please give me a call at 405-627-2693. And my email is my first name, Caitlin, at nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.